Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going over Q2 of the weekly contest 274, number of laser beams in a bank. So a lot of people did this very quickly at least the top people. I probably could have done it a little bit better, but wow, these people are fast. So the one thing I would say about this one, it is just, I think to be honest, most people should be able to get this, and I'm not, if you struggle with it, that's okay. I'm just kind of saying that I don't think there's anything tricky about this problem that prevents anyone from solving it. So you just have to kind of be careful. It's one of those problems where you have to be careful and not get a wrong answer. Actually, I don't see anyone with, or maybe the top people don't get a wrong answer, but I would just be careful about not getting the wrong answer. And as long as you kind of do that, it should be okay. So the only thing about this problem is that you only need to look at adjacent rows as long as there's no emptiness in between. So I did this in probably not as the most efficient way. It is still efficient-ish, but it's not the most efficient because I do a couple of passes. So the first thing I do is I remove all the empty rows, right? So all the rows of only zeros, I remove them straight out, bam, gone, right? And then next, I just look at adjacent rows. In this case, there is some inefficiency here because this slicing does create a copy, which, but that said, other than that, this is linear time, linear space. You can, like, as I said, you can get this down to constant space by not doing the zip thingy, but it is just much shorter to write for me, and it saves me a little bit more time, and I don't have to worry about, or less about typos. But yeah, but this is pretty much it, really, is that you look at two adjacent rows, and this is the way that I write in Python, and you just count the number of ones. And of course, as you notice from here, I actually do this multiple times, right? And that, like, I do this for each row. I count this twice, so it's a little bit more inefficient, but still O of n. So yeah, let me know what you think. I don't know if there's anything tricky about this. If I want to rewrite this, this is how I would rewrite it maybe. So I would maybe have something like, let's say counts is equal to do. And then now for a row in bank, maybe if one in row, then counts dot append, let's see, row dot count of 1, and then after all the counts are done, then we can do something like for I in range of length of counts minus 1. So then now you can do something like this: total counts of I times counts of I plus 1 in this case. I think that should be good. So yeah, so you could do this in a constant, I guess this is in constant space. Okay, fine, I lied again. I guess if you do it with, it's a little bit awkward because it actually, takes more work to do it this way, but you can have to just do, yeah, okay, fine. So this is actually constant linear time, linear space again. So actually, I guess you would do something like, I don't know, I mean, because all you need is the previous row. So actually what you would do is something like, something like previous is equal to none, if previous is not none, total previous times, let's just say current is equal to row dot count of 1, and then previous times current, and then now previous is equal to current. So something like this I think will be good, and it'll actually be linear time, constant space. So yeah, so you can do it. It's, of course, like I said, more error prone and more silliness, and you kind of, within the span of this video, I actually did it 2 additional times, and you could watch me solve it live during the contest next. But I try to think about, during a contest, instead of worrying about O of n space and O of 1 space, which usually doesn't matter. I mean, you have to look at constraints. And when it doesn't matter, I will try to opt the one that just least likely to make error-prone mistakes. So that's basically what I have here. That's pretty much all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Oh, and you can watch me solve it live during the contest next. Okay, let's go. What is going on? Okay. Is there a mod? Yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, chat about this or other problems on any contests or whatever. Yeah, Happy New Year. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you next time and take care. Bye bye.